Now that we have installed the JDK in our previous video, let us now proceed and install the Intellij IDE in our system. So simply go to Google and search for Intellij IDE for Windows. And then the very first link that you will get will be from the jetbrains.com. So let us open this link. And then you will be taken to this page. Now if you are unable to land onto this page, then you will get this link from the helper text that is present just below this video. So all these links will be present in the helper text. And then since I am using Windows, so let us select the Windows, and down the side you will find two editions. The first is the Ultimate and second is the Community Edition. Now the Community Edition is the free edition, and our target for this course can be achieved with the help of Community Edition, that is our Java projects. So let us download the Community Edition. Simply click on download. And then our download will start shortly. Save the file. And here inside the downloads folder, I have simply downloaded my file. So you also do the same, and let us continue with the installation procedure in the next video.